Right, today I'm unboxing the Cuisinart 13.6 litre tri-zone air fryer and oven. Rather large box. You're going to have to tip it out upside down. Yeah, 10 to 16 kilograms this box, some weighs in between that. There we go. Let's get rid of that. Wow, this is a big boy. There it is. There's a pizza in the bottom here. Chips, whatever you do normally in your air fryer, but you can also put a pizza or something like that in the bottom. Let's get it open. And what we got in. Cool. What's this? That must be the tray down in the bottom. Scrap. Let's see what's in here. I don't think they want you to use it. Alright, there you go. Ah, this one probably goes in the bottom. It's like an oven, the thing you put in your normal oven. Quite sturdy. Over there. There's rubbish. Nothing else. Oh yeah, there's a few more. Small. These two small ones go in the top two trays. So that's those two. So these probably go that way up. We'll have a look. Instructions. Guns. Good. I'll put it on the floor so I can get it out of the box. Got this side. Oh, come on. Here we go. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. So you've got your cable. Some of these tapes off. Whoa. Seems quite substantial. It's got a glass or something, window, so you can see how your stuff's getting on in there. Same as that one. Can you see that? Through there. It's sort of like a dark tinted window. I suppose it'll get coated with that in the end. Oh, this is your oven piece. I'll take it. Well, this has got to fit on. Can't go anywhere else. So that goes on there. And that other bit goes underneath. That's it. Should put this bit in. That goes underneath to cover the elements. And yeah, I don't think there's much left in there. No, nothing left in the box. That is the complete kits. So they go in the bottom of your baskets. Little handle on top so it shows you which way they go. That's upside down, so it goes in that way. Let's get cooking. The weight of it. doesn't really seem like it's a lot heavier than our old one, actually. You have to be careful with these though. You make sure you got your hands this end of the handle, because the centre of balance is more like that. If you pick it up in the middle, it tips forward. So I suppose you'd be taking it from this side. Let's try on this side. So if we grab a bit more, yeah, that's all right, because your hands automatically go at the front of the hand. Yeah. So just put it over there, see how it lights up. Or don't know whether this wire's going to be long enough. This goes under the big tray. So this goes at the top, underneath the two baskets. Like so. And this one goes as it was. That's it. Match settings. Well, here we go. I'll have to look at this and I'll say, let's get cooking.